How to add another email to your Outlook. So you can add your another email in your Outlook, so I will show in this video how you can add it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So here guys, I'm on my Outlook. So as I said, you can add multiple account in your Outlook. So let's start with the video. So here you can see I have one account already added. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see this is my second account, and this is my the first account. How you can add? So go to the file. If you want to add another account, now go to the settings and go to the account settings. In account setting you will see the emails. Okay, so data file, and yeah, so now you have to click on emails and click on new. So here you have to enter the new email. Let me set up my account manually. Okay, don't do it manually, just type your email id. So I just copy one email id from here. If I let me check if I have email id here. So actually I already had. Okay, okay, enter your email id. I already, okay, enter. Now click on connect. Now it will be add. So now you have to give some permission, and you have to enter your account password. So there is a yeah, it will be bring you the Google. Now click on next. Okay, I just click on next. Okay, I have internet problem, so I have to do it again. So yeah, account setup was cancel it, so just retry it. Okay, so now I have to click on next. Now I have to enter my password here. Stay sign in. Click on sign in. Okay, it was wrong password. Okay, so I just enter wrong password. You have to enter right password, then it will be add. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.